Hot water is poured into a teapot to make tea. The initial temperature of the water is 100 degrees C. The tea is considered safe to drink when the temperature reaches 60 degrees C. The cooling function can be represented by T of T is equal to 100 e to the minus 0.0851 T, where T of T is the temperature at time T and T is the time in minutes, and E is approximately equal to 2.718. It says A, what is the initial temperature of the tea? B, calculate the temperature after 3 minutes. C, after what time T will the tea be safe to drink? So T of T is equal to 100 e to the minus 0.0851 T. When T is equal to 0, T of 0 will be equal to 100 e to the minus 0.851 times 0. And therefore that's equal to 100 e to the 0. Anything a to the power of 0 is 1, so this is 1, and therefore it'll be 100 degrees C, and that's what we should expect from a model like this. B, if T is equal to 3, T of 3 is equal to 100 e to the minus 0.851 times 3. Working out on my calculator, I'm going to get 77.468 to 3 significant figures. That will be 77.5 degrees C to 3 significant figures. E, the tea is safe to drink when the temperature is equal to 60 degrees C. So if we put 60 equal to our function 100 e to the minus 0.851 T, this is sort of a model, and then divide by 100, we're going to get 0.6 is equal to e to the minus 0.0851 T. And then taking logs, and this time because we've got e, take log to the base e of both sides. We're taking natural logarithms of both sides. We get ln of 0.6. ln means log to the base e is equal to ln of e to the minus 0.0851 T. Now, we know that log to the base a of x to the r is r log base a of x. So that means I can bring down that whole power, all of it, in front of the logarithm. So we get ln of 0.6 is equal to minus 0.0851 T times ln of e. Now, log to the base a of a is 1, so ln of e, log to the base e of e will be 1, so we can just ignore this now. And therefore, dividing both sides by minus 0.851, we're going to get t is ln of 0.6 divided by minus 0.0851, which gives that t is equal to 6 minutes. So the tea would be safe to drink after 6 minutes. Okay, this has been a video to find out when it will be safe to drink a cup of tea. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.